Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So with the recent rollout of the optional bug fix C-release updates for Windows 10 and Windows 11, just to give you a quick heads up about a feature and component of Windows 10 and Windows 11 that has actually been moved after the update has been installed. Now for Windows 10, the update was KB5032278, and for Windows 11, the update was KB5032288. So if you did install this update for November, then if we head over to apps, and this applies to both OSs, for Windows 11, there used to be an optional features listing on this page, which has now been removed. Now it actually hasn't been removed and disabled in the OS. Microsoft has just moved it to another location. Now, I did touch on this in a previous video earlier this week, but I have seen one or two comments, so I thought just to make this quick video, just to give you a heads up, if you are looking for optional features in Windows 10 and Windows 11, that it has been moved. Now, for Windows 11, as mentioned, it was located here. And if you are running Windows 10, it would have been at the top of your installed apps page, near the top of the page. Now, that's been removed in Windows 10. Now, where Microsoft has relocated the optional features is if we head over to the system page and we scroll down right to the bottom, here you can see optional features. Now, for Windows 10 users, it'll be at the bottom here in the left-hand navigation pane. So here is now where the optional features are located. And if we click on that, here we can see, as the name implies, these are all the little optional components that you can and are installed into the OS. So that would be extended theme content, Internet Explorer mode, Notepad, Windows PowerShell ISE, WordPad, just to mention a couple. And obviously for Windows 10 and Windows 11, some of these optional features can change because of obviously one being Windows 10 and Windows 11. And over and above that, the fact that Microsoft has moved optional features now to the system page, just a quick heads up, if you want to actually install an optional feature, you can just click on View Features, and this is very similar in Windows 10. And here you can see all the different features. There are quite a lot of them. And you can just do a search for any, and you can just click the relevant box, click Next, and you'll be able to install that optional feature. But as mentioned, go check that out if you're interested to see little features that you can install that maybe are not bundled by default in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And if you have an installed optional feature, as an example, if you don't want to use Internet Explorer mode, you can just click on the drop down arrow and you can uninstall that from your system. But the good news is, if you do decide to uninstall one of these optional features, at a later stage, if you change your mind, you can always come back, click on View Features and do a search, as an example, for Internet Explorer mode, click on the relevant box, Next, and you'll be able to reinstall that component onto and in your OS. So just letting you know, as mentioned, optional features has been moved from the apps and features page for Windows 10 and Windows 11 now to near the bottom of the system page for both OSs. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.